we doing today? Oh yeah, yeah. Okay, so well, the script, for example, is one thing I could be running right now, um, because we yesterday we got it back in working order, which was kind of all right. That was a slight exaggeration. We got it back in order. It's mostly working. There are I'm fairly certain there are at least a few interesting bugs that we've got going on now. Why does it always do this ship? I swear, it like always does the ship. Maybe it literally always does the ship, in which case that would be disconcerting. And uh, I'll have to look into that. But yeah, no, like I was saying, I think there's like at least a few things that I'll want to be changing and fixing. So one thing, sorry, I should switch over to screen cam actually, I guess, because what I'm like kind of staring at right now is this slow frame print is like going crazy. For some reason, the frame rate can't get under, or it can't get above 15 frames per second for some reason. I thought it wouldn't be very common that the frame rate couldn't get above 16 frames per second. Okay, I guess it did eventually get above 16 or 15 frames per second. Like, what the heck? I mean, the whole point of the refactor that had been in progress for the past uh, week or so was to get the frame rate running smoothly, and it can see it has gotten a hold of itself and stopped freaking out. But I don't know. I was hoping it would have been better than this, honestly. Um, so all right, I clearly have to change the slow frame print because that's the threshold for slow frames is clearly uh, got to be higher than this, which is just disappointing because honestly it would have been nice if it just ran at a smoother frame rate. I guess I'm not giving up on that as a goal, but at least for now, we apparently are not hitting those marks. So yeah. I mean, okay, so it does smooth out, and then I would be interested to know when the slow frames occur. So how do I make it so that maybe I'll just make a slow frame. Uh, I can make a slow frame. No, I don't know. I don't know how to get this information without it just being super spammy and gross. I'm trying to think of because all right. Well, for now, I'll just have to raise the maximum because I just can't deal with this. Frankly, with this crap, it's just stupid and ridiculous. So let's go to the slow frame print and just set the tolerance to be a lot higher. So point I don't know, 0.132 or something, or 0.133, something absurdly high. So that's disappointing, but okay. But anyways, sorry, I'm gonna switch back to Facecam now that the game is running and stuff. I'm just gonna switch back to Facecam for a moment more. Sorry, I'm the one causing the graphics to get all messed up because I'm dragging the graphics around right now. But yeah, right. So the reason I switched back to Facecam for just a second is so that I can click a few buttons and then we'll get to work. So yeah. Oh shoot, I just sorry. I'm just slightly out of sorts right now, but yeah. There's a lot that I'll want to be working on today. A fair amount of it I know up front what I want to be doing, and a bit more I'll want to be figuring out as I go. And we did just a major refactor on the project, so we uh, there'll be some bugs. There will be some bugs to iron out as we go. So I'm just gonna. Sorry, I should have done some of this stuff before going live. But let's just I'll just wrap this up real quick. And I apologize if my dialogue is unimpressive as I'm doing so. I'm just gonna bang this out as fast as possible, and then we can get going. So. Wait, what is this? This is, okay, this is this, and this is this other thing. Um, I guess, sorry, while I'm being like not fully entertaining right now, um, I can talk a little bit about like the first things that we want to do. At the end of the day yesterday, I didn't actually start implementing a new solution for the like the secret panel of the game, but I did kind of come to a conclusion about like kind of what I wanted to do with that. So um, we that's one of the things that like we know we want to do. It'll basically be like upkeep. Like I broke like when I wasn't sure what the solution would be going forwards, I broke a lot of things in the project, and so like one good thing to do for start. I All right, sorry. I'm still just really annoyed by the slow frame print and by the slow frame rate in general. I'll try not to let that get to me. But all right, let's see. Right, I said I was going to click a few buttons and get to work, so I will in fact do that. All right, hold on. Scrap that. And then yeah. So the nice thing that we discovered yesterday is that some of the yeah, we don't really, I guess, need to change solutions in order to um, implement the stuff that we want to implement. Sorry. I'm looking for. Oh wait, never mind. I found it. Yeah, because apparently the solutions that was the solution Tkinter specifically, what we had working already, like could be apparently will be viable for like what we I guess want to accomplish. So that's good. The downside is that it's going to be a little bit like the manner of implementation for the solution that we're pursuing then is it's like hey Zira, how's it going? Welcome. It's a little bit not my favorite, I guess. It's like it involves a few things that I do not find especially preferable. I have to restart the script like after this event. Maybe I should just restart it now. I'm just gonna restart the script. Sorry. Because I cannot like I'm just having difficulty with that right now. And if it's not so incredibly rude, I'm not actually going anywhere. I'm just stepping off screen for just one moment because I the weather here is like changing and I'm just like I don't know. I was not dressed for the occasion, so apologies. All right, I think we're good to go now. I think we can actually get started. All right, so I'll restart. Oh, sorry, Zara. I'll restart the script in just a second, and it hopefully the frame rate. I think the fact that I was like printing slow frame every frame was not helping the frame rate. So, I don't know. I I don't know. I just really prefer if that would work better. And at this point, I'm not certain why it's not. I have a few. I don't know. There are a few things I could look into, but for now, I'm just going to tolerate it as it is and work on things that I know, like things that problems for which the solution is already known, and we can get to the, and then yeah, by the time we finish some of that stuff, then we'll probably have a better hunch as to what are the solutions to the stuff that we haven't figured out yet. So yeah, the Tkinter stuff. I'm trying to think like what can I do right now without having to restart the script, or like while we're waiting for the script to restart, so that I won't accidentally like break the script when we go to restart it. Hopefully that'll. Oh yeah, no, I know one thing I can do. So the first thing that I'll want to do for this change up is like there are some just like the way I'm organizing the threads and the functions and definitions and stuff like that. Removing some viruses from a lady's computer. Yikes. 95 viruses. That is a lot of viruses. That is terrifying. Oh yeah. So the way I'm setting this stuff up, I like these global variables that I'm using. What is it? The PEV variables. I guess I do have to change how the. No, I don't have to change. Yeah, no, I totally have to change these. No, 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 no. No, I do have to do something with them, but not this. So I won't worry about that yet. Yeah, right. Because the first thing I'm doing is I'm looking for these global variables. Yeah, the thing that I knew I broke that I know I haven't fixed yet. One of the things along those lines is that I moved the location of some of these variable definitions and onto like other threads and like that. Like apparently like global doesn't work. Like global isn't as global as it sounds. And so to adjust for that, I'm just going to move some of these variables, not literally out of here, but like move the locations in which. Hey, Yakumis, how's it going? Welcome. Uh, it's going all right, I guess. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, I should run the script again. It's probably time to run the scripts again. Probably. We'll see. Um, uh, yeah. Yeah. For some reason, the frame rate wasn't hitting the numbers that I hoped it would. But whatever. Uh, like we were saying before, I'm not gonna worry about that right now. Oops, sorry. The graphics are hiccuping right now because I'm dragging the screen around. It'd be nice if I could make it so that like the graphics would still render even when I'm dragging the screen around, but I haven't figured out how to do that yet. So I was just incurring a bunch of slow frames, um, because I just want it to be just so. All right, so let's continue with this. Yeah, so these are the right. So these global variables are not defined. They're defined in a different thread, and it's the schedule, the freaking schedule. I just have to change the location of those definitions so that oh no, graphics messages is fine. Graphics messages, graphics messages, GM name, SayQ. Wait, SayQ? Yeah, SayQ. No, SayQ's fine. But GM name. Right. These are all the things. So the ones that I'm adding to this list over here are the ones that I know are defined in the wrong place, and I'll move them to like this other separate like. I might put like a secondary separate like I have like a not like quarantine, but like I have like a special location for some of these things that like I don't feel should actually be there, but I'm putting in a particular location because mostly because they like Python doesn't want to work with me any other way. So we'll see. Fact actions, is that a real thing? If whatever. Um, fact actions is apparently a real thing. Um, and so fact facts, fact char, really? Some of these stuff sounds so made up. Uh, fact facts. You know, the other thing I could do. Now, I talk about this a lot. I keep talking about like unifying the GM controls, so that way like the GM. So basically, like setting it so that the uh, the like I right now I have a secret panel, right? I have like a secret panel, and it does basically everything the chat GM can do, except it's a secret panel for doing that instead. Oh no, there are some things. I was gonna say like instead of changing things the way I'm about to change things, the other thing I could do is like just cut interactivity from the panel, just use the panel for data output, which would be yeah, that would be totally doable. Like I could totally no. I was gonna say I could do that in a thread safe way, or like in a way that makes me feel better, but um so right. um I there's some commands that I don't want to leave only in chat. There's some commands that like would not be appropriate for chat. Specifically, commands that handle uh, inappropriate text in order to. Well, there might be ways around that. Maybe I don't know. I don't think it's an improvement though. I think I should try like the secret panel in this new way to see if it works in this new way, and then I can I don't know. I mean, like we'll see how it goes. Um, why on earth is the frame rate not good? I really, it makes no sense to me. I feel like it, I feel like at this point it's basically like in like I don't feel like there's anything in the script that's actually like interfering with the frame rate. I feel like the frame rate like I feel like this like as we've seen like the script is entirely possible is entirely capable of like rendering upwards of like 80 frames per second in this mode, but like it just doesn't for some reason. It's just like I don't know. I feel like that must have to do with like the processing power like that my computer is like allotting to it or something. But like we tried yesterday, we tried uh in like the task manager, we tried setting it as like higher priority or something like that, and like I don't think that like did anything. Uh, wait, what is details? Yeah, like we told Python to be a higher priority, but I guess maybe like it just resets that every time I restart the script or something. I don't know. I'll try doing it again and see if that helps out at all. It'd be nice if it did. It'd be nice if I didn't have to constantly set it also. Because, like, I don't know. As it is, it's just like, I don't mind changing things in order to make it run smoother, but, like, I already changed things to make it run smoother. So now it's kind of it's not on me anymore. Which is actually kind of more frustrating in a way. I mean, it's of course, like, it's a slog to have to, like, rewrite this stuff, but, like, it's kind of nice when at least I am able to rewrite it and it's not like just like ineffective beyond my control. It just makes me want to like rewrite the entire program from scratch. Um, I mean not like 100% literally like that, but it like makes me want to like change solutions, like change stop using Python, for example. I guess I just don't trust Python or like Pygame or something. Like I feel like I don't know. I've never been super thrilled by them. So like there were some nice convenience things that were associated with them. And but if I'm just like hitting the upper limit of like what it can accomplish, then uh oh yeah, no, Yakumis, what we're working on today is the secret panel. It's definitely not working yet. But I mean, like, what we checked out yesterday. Oh, yeah, yeah. After you left yesterday, we ran some checks, and I think tkinter might actually work for, like, for what we wanted to accomplish. Because we, like, ran some tests with tkinter, and we were able to get it to crash. But, like, we were able to trash tkinter, but, we were also able to get tkinter to do the things that we were wanting it to do without crashing. So, yeah, I'm thinking we'll probably do that. I'm just sorry. I'm just like standing here, like watching the frame rate and like being like kind of furious, because like what the crap. And the reason I'm not like continuing to work right now is because there's no point in continuing to work if I'm going to be like restarting the project from scratch. And like unless the frame rate like bucks up, like unless the frame rate like actually starts freaking working, then like I don't see what other options there are. So uh uh um yeah, I don't know. I guess I guess wait, what the heck? Why did it give us the pirate ship? Why did it give us the abandoned pirate ship quest while we were on the abandoned pirate ship? Or while we were on the pirate ship? Are you serious? What the heck is happening right now? Did we, whoa. That is just... Alright, so like I mentioned, there are a few bugs. um, so, hey, Nelcor, how's it going? Welcome. Um, I mean, I guess like anything I do right now will basically just be like a drop in the bucket compared to. Oh, what are name tags doing? I don't think I changed how name tags work after changing like how the script operates. Oh yeah, the speed of the name tags. That's definitely something I have not changed. Wait, so what are name tags doing right now? Sorry, wait, I'm just gonna change my view so I can actually see the screen. Uh, are name tags just like flying off the top of the screen, or are they just like sliding up really fast, or like they're just moving up 1 pixel per frame, which is not exactly what I meant to do. Um, all right, I'm gonna. I guess I'll just. All right, I won't give up on Python yet, but like seriously, like I just don't understand why the script is not running at like a gazillion frames per second right now. There's literally nothing like halting it. Like, what is it? Like, what is it even doing right now? Like, OBS is using resources on my computer right now. Python is using some resources, but it's like it's using like a pittance of resources. Like, use this much resources, Python. Like, use more resources. Use more resources. Where's the button to just make it use more resources? Like, stop being such a baby. Like, use more resources. um, I would like it if it could do that. It'd be convenient to me if it could do that. If it would be so kind as to do that. Um, yeah, I like when I do something and then I look at chat and like because of stream delay you tell me to do it after I've already done it. It's always fun. Um, all right, so yeah, name tag. All right, I'm. All right, well I'll come back to this garbage later. Just a heads up, I'm not super thrilled right now, so the like nouns and adjectives I'm using are probably going to sound a little bit harsher than I would actually like intend them to be. So like let's like put this crap aside and like work on some other dumb stupid garbage instead. Um, all right, so name tag position. Whoops, why are you cap locked? Uh, and why is name tag position not a thing? NT position is totally a thing. What is it actually? NT dot NT. What? How is this not a thing? Name tag position is totally a thing. Is it dot pos NT or like? Oh, pos NT. Okay, so it's position name tag, not name tag position. All right. So yeah, so now I need the. So we have the integer value of this, but we also need the float value of this, which I think is what we did with the adventurers as well. So let's go to the definition of our adventurer, which just go there faster, please. What the crap? Sorry. Pardon my expression. Did I? Where is the definition of our stupid adventure? Oh, right. It doesn't have the dot when it's right. It has a space. Okay, there we go. Sorry. Um. Wait, pause, cur pause. Oh yeah. All right. I guess I'll follow the same convention. I'll do cur pause nt. Equals 0. Oh, and pause is supposed to be 0.0. Not that it matters, but so is 0.0 this here. Okay, so yeah. Right. So the places that we're using .pause nt, instead we're going to be wanting could the frame rate have something to do with data? No. No, it could not. How about the performance? Oh, wait, yeah. All right, that was already said a while ago. All right, so gplayer dictionary li pause nt. Let's yeah, what is it that we want to do here? I guess like well, actually yeah. So some of these cases of pause nt like can stay as pause nt. Some of them have to change though, and like we have to calculate it. So like, where's the part that? Oh, here it is. Pause nt plus equals name tag speed. So Oh yeah, we must have like delta frame defined by now, because what we actually want is delta frame times nt speed. Yeah, and so that's accurate, I guess. But then I guess the other thing that we have to do is after we calculate that, we have to say that also the cur pos nt, like every time we recalculate pos nt, we have to recalculate cur pos nt. So, for example, cur pos nt equals what is it? It's the integer of the rounded pos nt. So yeah, or is it the rounded version? I think actually, I was using like floor instead. Math dot floor, just for consistency. I think so. I might. Well, I think I'm pretty sure I was doing that for the environments to get them to be slightly less clicky, but I don't know. I don't know if I necessarily need to do it here. I might, anyways. I guess I don't know. All right. So, wait. What is this? Why are we checking pos nt again? Pos nt greater than name tag. Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's fine. I guess that's all fine. Right. So the place where we have to swap out pos nt to be cur pos nt instead is here when we actually blit it, because we have to blit it using a integer, not a float. But maybe the rest of the cases we can actually leave it as like, oh no, okay, there's like a million places where we reference it for blitting, or four, million or four, whichever. All right, are those all the references to pos nt? Where's the part? Yeah, the part where we set it in the first place, right? Because that's another place where we have to also set cur pos nt. So we'll initialize it to be a float, and this one is an integer. Underscore. All right, that should be better then. I could probably also increase the name tag speed as well, because the only reason I had it so low was because of like how the frame rate was a little bit chunky. So I don't know, like I could put it, I think it used to be 3 originally. No. 1.5 I think would have been like keeping it in sync with like what it had been originally. I started like because like it used to be 3, but then I doubled the frame rate, and like that doubled frame rate kind of like became like the basis for like the like balance, like the animation speed balance that we have going on here. So yeah. Okay, so let's I won't restart the script right now, because like another thing, like what the heck is happening with the whole pirate ship thing? Why are we always on this freaking pirate ship? Like every time I restart the script, we're on the pirate ship, and then we like haven't left the pirate ship, despite the fact that like the first quest was, oh no, yeah, no one participated in the first quest, so that's weird. Uh, um, um, or no, Zero chose Banto in the first quest, but then, oh no, wait, that was when I restarted the script. So wait, so the script started up, it chose the quest Abandoned Pirate Ship, and then for some reason we're at the ship instead of, we should have, if anything, started at the river. So like that's like the first thing that like makes no sense, is that when the script started up, if the first quest it chose was, oh, I just remembered something. I think when we issue a teleport command, we re-choose the quest at random. So there are a few things that don't make sense now. Why, if we do, all right, so either, yeah, so at some point, all right, so there's some disconnect between like the event that it's choosing and and the environment that it's sending us to. So let's, I guess, like look at what the teleport history is for this. So yeah, so the game started up and it told us to teleport from the river to the ship. And then we did teleport to the river. We did teleport to the ship, hypothetically, which it would be consistent. Wait, why did it tell us to teleport to the river up here? Oh, wait a second. Yeah, that's not right. So okay, so the script started up, and it randomly chose the river. It didn't choose the ship. So why on earth were we on the freaking ship? Like we didn't get the next the next teleport command until here. Wait, bad graphics message? Oh, I wonder if this is related. Whoa. What the heck is this crazy bad graphics message? Ye bar adverts. I was trying to print two things at the same time, so I don't know what. So we got a bad graphics message apparently, but I don't know what the message was actually supposed to be because it's like interlaced. Oh, with Trusty Bard is trying to say something. Sorry, hold on. Sorry, I just want to. Oh no, there's gonna be like no way to extract this out. What was it trying to say? No, I have no clue. Alright, apparently, wow, look at these bad graphics messages that we're getting. Oh, and why on earth is it? Alright, there are a few things wrong with this situation. Alright, well, I'll be honest, there's a lot wrong with this situation. Um, so, I guess it's just a question of where we want to start first. Alright, so we have, I'll start keeping track of, like, what crazy things are going on right now. And we can, so we'll be sure to circle back to get the other one. So, like, the first one that I want to work on is, like, why the freaking ship, and then, bad badge messages, and, like, why bad messages, yeah, like, for one thing, those badge messages shouldn't be even happening in the first place. But then, like, why are they received as bad messages? Like, why are they not just handled properly? These questions and more. I think for now, because the slow frame thing is just being, like, annoying as... it's right now, like, the only thing this is doing is, like, pissing me off right now. I'm just gonna, I think, temporarily disable it. Because I just don't like being in such an annoyed mood. It's like, I don't know. It's like, I feel like technology, like the idea about technology is that it's supposed to be like consistent in some regard. Like it's supposed to at least do what it's supposed to do. Like it's not supposed to like make decisions of its own. So like, I feel like if I feel like as long as I uphold my end of that bargain, like it should uphold its end too. But no, instead it's being like awful and petulant. So to heck with it. For now, we'll come back and like make it pay later. Justice will be served. Sorry. So right, so the teleports. If I recall correctly, what like, oh, you know what I could do for testing purposes is yeah, I'm gonna make I was gonna say I'll make like a separate copy of the script for testing purposes, but no, I think today is just gonna be a little bit rough. At the end of this quest, I'll probably restart the script. Well, no, I should at least like try and fix something before I just restart the script. I want to get more data though as to like what stupid things it's doing or like what weird things it's doing. So let's go to the next ev name. Yeah, right. Because here's where we issue a teleport command. This is where we issue like the first teleport command. This is the one that if we look on our debug output, was this would have been, it would correspond to this first one here, where it tells us to teleport to the river. And that would be consistent, because what it's doing is it's randomly picking an event, and then for that event's environment, which is the river, it tells us to go there. So like when the script first starts, we're like in any random environment. But then because like the data thread like the graphics thread renders the environment, so it needs to render something. I mean, it doesn't need to, but it does render something from the start. And but then the data thread, which is the one that actually manages like the state of the game, picks an event, and then it'll so at the very start of the script will teleport to the correct will teleport to the appropriate uh, teleport to the appropriate environment based on whichever event. The other way, I mean, I could do it the other way around, and like I could have it so that the graphics thread picks the environment and then tells the data thread about the environment, but I don't feel like doing it that way. So right, so we're teleporting to the river, but then how did we end up on the ship? Okay, well, at least now we're at the river, which is good. Yeah. All right. Well, we're at the river now, which is good because we actually were supposed to go to the river. In this case, although, why did that event start like immediately? Is another question. Like, why was there no downtime between those events? Is like another question. So like, all right. Like, I think I actually put this on my backlog already, but no downtime between events apparently. Um, all right, so yeah, with this, why would it? All right, so it has to be like, so okay, so when we ended up on the ship, like we did see like a teleport command. We saw, if we look in this log, where is it? It was like, wait, where'd it go? Oh yeah, we did get teleport to ship and like from the river. For some reason, we were told to teleport to the ship from the river. For some reason. But this was like not at the right time, I guess, like, which was the part that annoyed me. Um, the whole event, like the event, like recurring too soon though, is kind of a bigger deal. So I think I'm gonna put like I'll come back to this teleport stuff, but I'm gonna start looking into the no downtime between events first, because that's worrying. Um, uh, where would it go? I guess it'd be like event time would be like the thing that would be like most likely. Actually, no. There's a lot of things that could be going wrong here, because like the condition to trigger an event is like fairly complex, but event time, I feel like would have to be part of the problem, or wherever event time, not event time scale, event time. Event time equals so. Right. This is when we initialize the event. Event time equals frame time plus event duration. Right. And the events do seem to be concluding at the appropriate time, so like that part seems to be okay. Um, so event time equals frame time plus 60. Oh, I wonder if I accidentally changed like one of these numbers incorrectly. No, this is when we like kick a GM, so that shouldn't be relevant. This is when the GM goes AFK. This is for overtime. Wait, what? No, wait, what is this? Yeah, this is for overtime, right? It's if overtime. Did I change something here? I feel like I changed something here. No, I think I did change something here, but I didn't change it recently. And again, here we go. Another event, just like right immediately. Yeah, so I need to restart the script. Pronto. Whoa, what just happened? Okay, nice gems, nice gold. Good. So, all right. At least it's evaluating the events like correctly, like for the most part. Um, Wait a second. Oh, it's just not even updating the event time, is it? We just skipped right over that part. Because overtime. No, no, no. This is fine. We just haven't gotten to it yet. Yeah, overtime. All right, so overtime, blah blah, whatever. We don't care. Event time is less than frame time. Event time is less than frame time. I feel like frame time must be getting updated correctly. Um, I mean, oh, I should have kept that print that was like, when I was trying to debug like an event thing earlier, like I had like this print set up so that I could see like basically what each of these terms, like the values of each of these terms at the time that the event actually evaluates. So I might I want to bring back something like that if I can't figure out what's going on naturally. So wait, event timescale. I should probably. Oh no, I was thinking I might actually bring back event timescale, possibly. We'll see though. So event time, transition window. All right, so one of these values is probably screwed up. Transition window. Oh. Oh, maybe the transition window messaging is the part that's screwed up. Probably. Probably, now that I think about it. So let's, huh. How do I, yeah, let's look into that. What would be the problem here? Ah, these freaking slow frames. So annoying. So annoying. Sorry. The only way I can deal with them right now is just by expressing my annoyance. Um, I don't know how to pronounce your name. Snedjku. Sorry for mispronouncing your name. Just joined and you're something, but wouldn't it just be easier for you to make event class and just call it from code to reduce the mess? Uh, that's not even a suggestion, so I'm not going to really respond to that. But hey, welcome to the channel. How's it going? All right, so event time. Mm-hmm. Uh, yeah, let's look into the transition window because I'm almost certain that that's what's up. Uh, so it would be, yeah, specifically the messaging. Maybe the data messaging for this. Oh, it might just be that the data messaging for this entire thread is like borked. Uh, yeah. So where do we actually adjust this? I after after this event, I might just stop the script because it's just grating on my nerves right now. There are a lot of things grating on my nerves right now. All right, so where's the oh yeah, here we go. Yeah, we're just literally not, no, transition window. This is the one message that we're actually handling. So why is it like not going through? Transition window is not transition window isn't sufficiently high enough, I guess. Oh, wait, hold on. The transition window gets messaged. The transition window gets messaged at the time of at the time that the, did I just set like the, oh, wait, maybe I'm not proper. Oh, you know what? I changed the timing. No, would that affect anything? I changed the time. One thing that I changed recently was the timing of the what the actual time between events should be, and so uh, but I wonder if that like maybe I'm just not like keeping that in sync. So is it, so like event. What would that be? It'd be somewhere like where we're handling where we like have event time like defined, I guess, in the first place. Why? Yeah, thanks. Thanks for just kind of like freezing up. Pi charm works like a charm. No. Yeah. Where do we initialize event time? Equals time.time plus event cooldown. Event cooldown. Where do we set event cooldown? Like, are we setting this correctly? Event cooldown equals transition duration minus 10 minus event duration. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the problem. So yeah, what is this that's happening here? The transition window is not getting updated in time for the... Oh, Okay. Yeah. Okay, it's that the first transition window message isn't going through in time, and so as a result, the transition window isn't getting updated in time. I think. Let's maybe like at the start of the script, uh sorry. Maybe at the start of the script I'll just like I'll just send that first message like manually, kind of like what we're doing with the teleport command. Um I mean like although like sending that first command is going to be like basically the same as like initializing it in the first place. So transition duration, where is this like how do we know transition duration for this point? Global transition duration. So maybe I should just initialize transition duration to what? Like right now transition duration is g width. Oh. Wait. Wait, hold on. No, wait. What was wait. Maybe, am I just doing a stupid math thing? Am I just like stupiding on this math? Why PyCharm, stop freaking. Is this sorry. The annoying thing about faulty tools is that like it gets indistinct when you're actually just making a slight oversight or when your tools are being faulty. But okay. Um, so event cooldown. Yeah, event cooldown. Okay, so transition duration. Yeah, no. Okay, I guess that actually should be fine. That part should be fine. Event cooldown. So then, right. So the or no, sorry, whoops. So event cooldown. What was it? So it was yeah. So it was for like event time again. Event time, time to time plus event cooldown. I guess that's fine. And then the transition window. Let me just so event time equals transition window plus transition duration plus event cooldown times event timescale. Transition window. It must be the transition window is not getting updated correctly. And yet, all right. So I don't care. I'm just going to sorry, I can't because the script is restarting so fast at the end of the event. I can't end it when the event is off because the events are never off because they just keep restarting immediately. So sorry. I like it. There was no time that I could have stopped it conveniently, so I just had to force stop it. I apologize. I really try not to do that, but I'm sorry. Um, uh, right. So we just need to. I guess like the first most important piece of information is whether these freaking messages are even working. Like I assume they are, but like I don't know. For one thing, our debug output right now is like a spammy mess, and um, uh, thank you, Ferris Fazen. Um, right. So these stupid messages, which, like I said before, my noun and verb choices or adjective choices will be a little sharper than usual. But all right, let's print nd message, and let's just see. I mean, I kind of want to just like see how this goes now, but uh, but what? I guess no. Yeah. When I rerun this test, it'll take a little time, so I don't want to like constantly be rerunning the script. I'll so like for now I'm going to while the script is down I'm going to spend a moment looking up looking into where this could be going wrong. So actually I'll go to the other source. I'll go to the place where we send this message. Um, oh I also should have a bad messages print. So like else just in case like there's right like if something goes wrong with these messages I should be paying attention to that because like actually one thing that's on our list is that we were getting bad we're getting bad graphics messages, right? Bad graphics message. Yeah, award badge. I don't know. Doesn't make sense, but whatever. We'll figure that out at some point as well. So yeah, we could be getting bad data message, and then we'll print nd message, I guess. Right, but let's go to where we're sending this message, the other place that we're sending the transition window message, which is so data messages dot put transition window g frame time plus transition duration. G frame time plus transition duration. I guess that should be good. And it's like, this is in the correct place. Like, I don't know. As far as I know, this is in the correct place. I mean, we did change some of this stuff yesterday. Oh, yeah. I wonder if this bug happened before or after we changed the animation speed. I might have just introduced some bad math here or something. I don't know. I guess we'll find out. Oh, the first one's just not going through? Yeah, I guess actually the first transition message wouldn't be going through. So I know one way to fix that. Well, like one easy way to fix that. I can just initialize like last end frame to bigger number. Because right now it initializes to 0, but I could just initialize it to to what? It'd be at the top, it would be g width times 2. I mean, I could like literally, I could initialize it to like a gazillion, like the number gazillion, but a more accurate, or like a more realistic thing would be to do g width times 2. Technically that's like just an arbitrarily large number. But yeah, that's like the hypothetically accurately arbitrarily large number. So maybe that's fixed now. Is there anything else I want to fix before I run the script? So that doesn't explain why the freaking ship. This might fix no downtime between events. So if this fixes it, then the problem had been that okay, so the data thread controls when the events happen, sort of. The data thread controls what events happen, and it's the one that actually kicks off the event, but the graphics thread kind of lets the data thread know when it's okay to initiate an event. And I mean, I could put in hey, Markiplier Coolness, how's it going? Welcome. I could put in like an upper limit on the event time too, because like right now, all the like for the event to trigger, the data thread just has to get to the event time, and once we're past the event time, then we're good to go. But the event time is set based on the transition window that the graphics thread indicates based on the state of the background. I think what was happening is that the events were starting, and it never gave the data it never gave the graphics thread time to actually complete a transition, so we were never actually getting the we were never actually getting the transition. Oh, and actually wait, the teleport command might be screwing this up too, now that I think about it, because when we teleport, we should be sending the like the case where we teleport is also a case where the the transition window doesn't technically change when we teleport. It kind of does. Does it? How does it change? It changes, or does it? No, maybe it doesn't. No, teleporting doesn't cause the transition window to change. So it might be that we're just not getting those transition window messages through, like, ever. But so okay, this might not fix anything. But at least we'll have more information to go on this time. So I guess yeah, I don't know. Let's just see what this says. And I'll start looking at some of these other bugs, and then so now we have more information that we can be getting from the we have more information that we can be getting from the from those systems about as like what might be happening with those systems. All right, so so we didn't get any teleport commands, or did we teleport from the river to the river, or like what happened? Yeah, we teleported to the river. I think we teleported from the river to the river. Gosh, if we get that freaking ship quest, I don't know what. um, at this point, I'm probably not going to do Ludum Dare, but I'm still not decided. Do you really have to sign up for it? Because like, if you have to sign up for it, then I'm probably not going to do it. Why would you have to sign up for it? I don't know. All right, so let's see. Um, yeah. So what were some of the other things that we wanted to track down? Bad badge messages. What the crap? Or sorry, I, I I'm I'm really salty today. Is the problem? I apologize. Why are we getting bad badge messages? Uh, or bad data mess. Wait, what is this? Equip familiar parrot bad data. What is this? What is this? What is this about? Parrot bad data. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. No, I know what that's about. It's because I have the I made a parrot once. I tried to make a parrot and it didn't go well, so I just kind of stopped making it. But I have the I still have the folder here, but I never put in a data file. So our sad little parrot is all alone, and technically it has bad data, but that's fine. All right. Oh yeah, no, not bad data message, bad graphics message. All right, so when the event starts, I'll want to. Yeah, I think it's like participation in an event is sending bad data messages or bad graphics messages. So actually, let's just look at award award bonus. Oh, that's the problem. It's because I'm sending the messages through as award badge, but they're actually supposed to be award bonus. Right. So this is supposed to be award bonus. Yeah. That would do it. Award bonus. Oh, but then the other thing that doesn't make sense is like, why were we even trying to send this message in the first place? So that's also not good. So let's fix both of those things. So if not has badge and gamma badge in wait. No, if not has badge and not. This is supposed to be not. Gamma badge in. Yeah. Wait, oh, no, 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 no. No, that is correct. So wait, it's the has badge that must be wrong. Gamma badge in player dictionary. Oh, wait a second. Yeah, no, that's right. So has badge equals gamma badge in player dictionary keys. So first we check if the player has the gamma badge already. Because we only care about this if the player didn't have the gamma badge in the first place. Is this legit? Like can I use like this conditional statement to set a Boolean value? Maybe not. I don't know. So I'll just change that, I guess. I'll change it so has badge equals true, and then has badge equals false, and then if gamma badge in player dictionary, then has badge equals true. I don't know. Like I feel like that was like an equivalent statement, but is it p-key? Is it not supposed to be p-key? No, it's p-key. Yeah, it was sending. So like yeah, so build a 10. So I'm gonna say like build whatever, and then if we look down here, it probably said that I got the gamma badge. Or it probably said, oh no, it didn't say bad badge message this time. Or it didn't say bad message, but it also didn't say, it didn't it like prints out all the messages that it handles, and it didn't send that message. So why had it sent it? Like previously, it had sent it for Yakimus and Protospasm, who both definitely already had the gamma badge. So like for example, players Yak Yakimus bonuses. Whoa, look at that. That's exciting. Okay, why so many beta badges? um, well, that's exciting. So Yakimus really doesn't have the gamma badge? A lot of beta badges, but is the gamma badge really not in here? Uh, oh, I bet I know it's wrong. I probably have a typo somewhere in the gamma badge thing that still references the beta badge. Probably. Oh, look at this, beta badge. Ah, bravo. Alright, so yeah, so Yakimus really doesn't have the gamma badge. Okay, so that's fun. Oh gosh, does no one have the... I don't know, whatever. Alright, so yeah, these references to beta badge should not exist. These should all be references to gamma badges. So, that's exciting. Gamma badge. Okay. So let's start at the top. Start at the top. Replace. Alright, so I don't have to change the logic probably, because the logic was probably fine before. It was just that I'm a crazy person. Alright, has badge. Yeah, so no, we can set has badge back to equals gamma badge in blah 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 blah. Yep. Exciting. So, let's I just can't even freaking handle the frame rate right now. I just I think if things had gone smoothly on the refactor, then like then it wouldn't I wouldn't be quite so annoyed by the frame rate, but the fact that like it took as long as it did, I don't know. This is dumb. I mean, I don't know. I knew that this was like a possibility. It's just like the worst possibility. It's like the most annoying thing. But I'll stop complaining about it. Yeah, I do kind of have to fix the whole beta badge thing, or like I don't have to, but like I kind of should fix this because it's kind of a mess. So I'm just gonna make a quick script to. Oh yeah, no. What do I do? Yeah, I can make a quick script to fix this, I suppose. Oh, but when I run it, the other script should be down. So, well, no, I have to bring the script down. Yeah, no, actually, I'm gonna bring the script down. I'm gonna fix the other thing, and then and sorry, I'm gonna fix the other thing, and then we can bring the script back up with the fixed data. So new Python file test slash beta to, hey, that's the new follower, nice. Beta to gamma. Okay. H1 Gaming Com, welcome to the channel. Thank you for following. Alright, so yes, PyCharm, please let me. So import OS, and then player list equals os.lister players, and then so for li in player list, if os.path.exists, or so let's say like bf path equals players slash plus plus li plus slash bonuses. Is it called bonuses or bonus or bonuses.txt? So if this file exists, then so if OPath exists, bfpath. Hey, that's also the new follower noise. Kisa Kuroi. Sorry for mispronouncing your name, but welcome to the channel and thank you for following. Oh, thank you, thank you very much. Yeah, I hope to bring it back in, or I'll be bringing it back up in just a second. We did a major refactor, and there are a few bugs that we're fixing today. So, it's not in its best form right now, but it'll be getting back there soon. So, thank you again. That's very nice of you to say. So, so we're just gonna check if OSPath exists, BFpath. I mean, I could actually, if this script ends up taking too long, I can bring back SideQuest without running the script, because I did fix the more important of the two situations, and yeah, we'll see. So let's then do what? We'll say with open yeah, okay, so we'll say like bonus list equal, or bonuses so like p bonuses or whatever bonus I'm a child equals new dictionary and then so yeah, and then we'll just say, I mean, I don't have to use a dictionary. No, whatever. I'll just make it a list. So bonus list equals a new list, and then so with open yeah, what are we gonna do here? The BF path, with open the file, we will say like as like b data, then we'll say so like full list equals b data dot read dot split, and so this data file is separated by space characters. All the data points in this data file are separated by space characters. So we'll split it on space, and then we'll say, so for I don't know, like bi in full list, if bi not in bonus list, so if it's not a duplicate, then we'll put it in bonus list. Then bonus list bonus oops, what's happening? Bonus list dot append bi. So basically, bonus list is going to be a list just of the non-duplicate ones. So this will just be like a list without duplicates, right? And so we'll put a space character at the end, because there could be multiples. And then so then we'll say with open. I think there's a way that I think you can technically open the file for reading and writing at the same time, but I never bothered to look into that, so I'm just gonna do it twice, because we actually want to read from it and then basically like delete it and like save it out differently. So yeah, let's say bfpath dash or bfpath w. Hypothetically, I should back up the player data. I mean, I backed up the player. I'm gonna do this for no particular reason. I don't really have to back up the player data right now. I just like to, I don't know, I like safety nets for my safety nets, so I'm going to do it anyways. All right. So with open BFpath for writing, oh yeah, I guess. I mean, I guess bonus list could have been a string up front. Oh wait, yeah, no, wait, this space character doesn't go here. Sorry, no. I was gonna say, so then for, yeah, no, bonus list. Okay, actually, bonus list isn't gonna be a list, is it? Maybe it will be a list, but no, whatever. I just, all right. There's gonna be bonus list and there's gonna be bonus string. This is probably not the coolest way to be doing this, but whatever. I'm not cool, so that's fine. So when we append bonus list, we're also gonna say bonus string plus equals bi plus a space character. Right. That's right. Kind of had like a brain situation for a moment there, but I think we're back on track. So let's open this for writing as b data, and now and then we can just write. So oh yeah, oops, my file system is asking me if I want to overwrite stuff, and I do. So oh, sorry. Do I have short video footage of the game in its current state? Yeah. Well, tell you what. I'll just rerun the script. I have the script down just because I I'm fixing a thing, but I like half fixed the thing. I fixed the important half, and so I can just run the script again, to get the game back up and running because I don't like to have like a lot of downtime. Yeah. All right. So yeah. This is so this is the game. Yeah, this is the game. We just did it. It's funny. We just did a graphical update yesterday. We just finished it at end of day yesterday. So like to see the game actually in its current state, like the only two sources of that right now are the game like as it is right now, as you can see, and then in the video from yesterday. If oh wait, no, that's the video from today actually. Hold on. The video from yesterday, if you jump to like to the end of it, then you can kind of see it there too. Yeah, we literally just oh quiet me. We literally just finished this graphical update, so I haven't actually had time to put it together any like new visual materials using it. But yeah, so there's more. In case I have to bring the script down again, here's a link to the video from yesterday's stream. If you jump to like the end of it, I think it said around like the 6:30 mark that we actually got it up and running again, and so there's more there as well. Sorry. So yeah, right. So all right. So the script is back up and running. But I'll finish this. I'll finish the script. I won't run it right now. I'll actually yeah I won't run it right now. So I'll comment this out so I don't accidentally break things by running it. And then right. So what is it that we do here? Right. So then I mean I guess hypothetically there could be like a blank bonuses file. So just in case there is, I'm going to say so if the length of bonus list is greater than is greater than 0, then we'll say then we'll reopen the file for writing, and we'll say bdata dot write and we'll write in bonus string indexed from the indexed up to the not including the last character, because the last character of bonus string is this extra space character. So we can skip the last character, but we'll want to write everything else as the bonus string. Yeah. So hypothetically, I could run this. Oh, I could run this now. Actually, I could run the script now. Oh, yeah. No, it hadn't even occurred to me, but I actually don't need to. All right. Yeah, it was nice to see you, H1 Gaming Com. Oh yeah. Oh, so. Yeah. Kisa Kiroi. Sorry. I hope I'm not mispronouncing your name too badly, but one thing you'll notice is whenever the script restarts, the name tags aren't there, but as soon as you say something in chat, your name tag will show up. That's for like basically for lurkers. Like if people like show up to the channel, like their name tag doesn't show up immediately until they actually start engaging in the channel. Because like I don't know if you guys are the same way, but when I'm on Twitch, like I like to explore. I like to pop into various channels, but I kind of like to just like kind of poke my head in and like see what's up before like I don't know. Sometimes like yeah okay. So yeah, I think this is this whole script, right? Um, so I'm guessing the other thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to print or actually no yeah, actually not right there. I'm gonna so right here I'm gonna say print uh, name, or like print li right, so print li full list and or actually not full list first. I'll print bonus lists and then full list, because like when I run this now, I backed up all the player data, so if it does anything untoward, we won't have to worry too hard. But unexpected indent. Oh, why is there a backslash here? That's weird. All right. All right. Let's run this again. What? Cannot find specified path play. Oh yeah, right. It's actually dot dot slash players, because this isn't a subfolder. Okay. What? It never printed anything. Why did it never print anything? Oh, right, again, because it's dot dot slash players, not just players. Okay. So, yeah, here we go. So, if we scroll out, we see some players like list, like, some players, like Zeros, for examples, his list was really long because I had that bug in where like I was assigning like way too many beta badges. Oh yeah, there was one other thing I was gonna do. I guess I don't really have to worry about it. There was one other thing I was gonna do. Uh, yeah, should I? Um, some players have the gamma badge. I don't know how some players got the gamma badge and some. Hmm. Maybe the gamma badge bug thing was only in like some versions of the script, and like I mean, it must have been fixed in some versions because some people actually got the gamma badge, which is weird. Because the bug was that instead of giving people the gamma badge, it kept giving them the beta badge again and again and again and again. It would check if they had the gamma badge, and if they didn't have the gamma badge, it would give them the beta badge for some reason. So normally you're only supposed to have like one copy of each badge, but like some players were getting like gratuitously many copies because yeah. Okay. So uh hey Hypermuffin, how's it going? Welcome. Uh oh yeah, so what's happening with the script now? This is the first quest that we've had. This is like the first event that we've had. Alright, so I guess this will be the moment of truth. At the end of this event, I don't expect it necessarily to work per se, but we'll at least hopefully get some information as to how it's not working yet. And whether it'll be working again soon. Hopefully. I don't know. We'll find out. Um, yeah. So you know what I'm gonna do here actually is what? Like from this, like, because I have this like data output, I can just go by this list as to like who didn't get the beta badge or who didn't get the gamma badge but should have. So like I might just copy this and do what with it? Uh, all right, actually no, I'll copy the like the namey part, or like the data e part, not like the top line and the bottom line, but like I might just like hold on. Wait, why is file new? Oh, that's weird. If I have my cursor on the output thing, it doesn't let me create a new file. What does it think I'm trying to make a new output file or something? Whatever. All right, so test slash gamma repair. I'll call it. I don't know. Whoa! Hey! Look at everyone. Wait a second. I don't think that many people leveled up all at the same time, and it all disappeared at the same time. So I'm guessing that was a bug. But oh yeah. I was gonna say, hey, look, the next event didn't start immediately, but actually that's, now that I think about it, the first event didn't actually exhibit this bug previously. So all right, yeah. The badges. Sorry, the badges that we're talking about are the. You'll notice that some people have like gold badges on their hat, Some people have silver badges, some people have bronze badges. Those are the alpha, beta, and gamma badges, respectively. It's for people who participated in open alpha, open beta, and open gamma. We are currently in open gamma. So, right so what happened is when I opened gamma, when I switched from open beta to open gamma, I made a bug in the code that awards the badges, and so I kept giving out. So some people got beta badges that shouldn't have had beta badges hypothetically, but I don't. I tend not to like try and like punish people for my own bugs. So I'm not going to take that away from anyone. All right. Well, actually, before I forget, I do need to circle back to that oh, bad badge message. So we fixed that one, but why? So like too many level up highlights because that was weird. That was really weird. All right, I'm just gonna oops, no, close that file. New. I'm just gonna paste this here for now. Yeah. So gamma repair. So actually no, I guess I can paste it here. So like data list equals wait, were you here before the game was created? I don't know if you were here before the game was created, but I think you were probably here for alpha. I don't know if like just not everyone. So the weird thing about alpha is that alpha didn't take place in this channel. It took place in a different channel before the game was ready to run in this channel. Um, so I don't know. Like some people who were here for alpha didn't actually participate in it. But according to the bonus list, you did participate in alpha. Yeah, you have all of the badges. You have the beta badge, the alpha badge, and the gamma badge. So there you go. Congratulations. You're one of those professionals. I never wipe data. If I can help it, I never wipe data. Yeah. All right. So, data list. Yeah, there's this whole business. So this is gonna be fun. Oh shoot! Wait. Why is it all weird and scrunky looking? Is it because of the internal quotes? No, you can put internal quotes as long as you, because like I have single quotes for the internal quotes, and then that's fine though. I think. Oh, it's because I don't have the, because I don't have. Or no, wait, no, that's not how you continue lines. It's backslash. Is it because I don't have these backslashes here? Yeah. Oh wait, no, I'll just do the other thing. I'll just do line breaking thing. If I do triple quotes, then it can break lines. Yeah. Okay. There we go. If you do triple quotes, then you can have a string in Python that goes across multiple lines. Why is it saying missing closing triple quotes? Missing your face closing triple quotes. I just put those freaking triple quotes in, you jerk. Liar. Liar about missing triple quotes. I'll show you missing triple quotes. How many missing triple quotes do you want? Look at this. Is that enough? Is that enough quotes? Is that enough quotes for you? Apparently it is. The error went away. Okay, there we go. And then, yeah. So what am I gonna do here? I'm basically gonna say like, I'm basically gonna parse this chunk of data. So I guess first I'll split on. I guess I want to. I want to split on new line character first. Then I want to split on new line character. I want to trim out the parentheses. I want to split on comma space, and then I want to trim out the quotation marks. So yeah. So let's see. So what did I call this? The data list. Yeah, data list. So we'll say so so like so like or actually no. This will be data string. Data string, and then so data list will equal data string or data string dot split split on what? Oh yeah. So the difference between So in this game, there are actions that you can take with extrinsic or intrinsic rewards. The ones with extrinsic rewards show up on screen. So like uprooting carrots and corralling ponies, those had extrinsic rewards. They showed up on screen, and if you chose those actions, you actually gained experience for it. Chasing ducks is a purely is the reward that you get from that is purely the intrinsic reward that you got to chase ducks. And just to differentiate between those, you can always tell if it's extrinsic or intrinsic because the extrinsic ones show up on screen, whereas the intrinsic ones show up in Trusty Bard's text, but they never get evaluated at the end of the event, and they never show up on screen. So data list split on, what did I say? Split on new line character first. So split on wait, what is it? It's like \n, I think. Yeah, split on new line character. And then for so then like so then yeah, but then what do I want to do? I guess like so then like for li in data list like point, I don't know, like points list equals li dot split on so it'll be li indexed from the first to the second to last character, because we're getting rid of the parentheses, and then we'll split that on comma space, because that's kind of what separates the data points in there. And then so we'll say like name equals index, so points list index 0, because the name is the first of these three data points, indexed again from the first character to the last character, to the second to last character, from the, or yeah, like, you know, trimming out the little apostrophes or the single quotes. And then for starters, I'm just going to print name, just to see if I'm parsing that data correctly. So let's run this script. Yeah, okay, so that looks good. So I'm now I'm chopping out the names correctly. So then all right, so we have the name. So excuse me, sorry, burp. Sorry. So then so we'll say what is it? So yeah, so the ones that we want to look for is so we'll say if all right, so with open I guess to run this script I'll want to, you know what, I won't run this script immediately. I'll make this script, but I won't run it until the next time I restart the main script, because this could mess stuff up. It's not likely that this will mess anything up, but like hypothetically it could happen, so I'm just not even gonna I'm not gonna worry about it right now. So let's yeah, so with open so I can assume the presence of the bonus data for all these players, because these are the players for whom we just checked had bonus data. So with open / players / plus name plus / bonuses .txt as I don't know, like B data. Then we just want to check if they have Gamma Badge yet, because we can't just go by this list to see if they have Gamma Badge, because the script is running, some of these players could have gotten Gamma Badge between when we ran this previous fix script and when we're going to run the next fix script. So we'll actually want to go right to the source. So yeah, so the other thing we can do is actually like bf path equals this player's name business, because we'll reference it a few times, and so so we can just say with open bf path, and then yeah, so then we'll say or so, all right, so has list equals empty list, and then we'll say has list equals b data dot read dot split. Whoops, too many parentheses. Dot split, and so this is again split on space character. So this will give us the list of the bonuses that the player has, and then actually we don't even have to do this. Now that I think about it, we don't have to do this unless we had the the case that we want to award these gamma badges retroactively is in the case that the player had multiple beta badges. If the player had multiple beta badges, then we'll want to award them the gamma badge, because having multiple beta badges is the indicator. I mean, hypothetically, there are some players that only have one beta badge that do deserve the gamma badge, but those players technically don't deserve the beta badge that they have. So instead of, I can't account for those players, but I can make it so that they won't get fixed by this script per se, but they also won't lose the beta badge that they got for free. So good on them. that's like a very uncommon case is that one. So yeah. So let's sorry. Oh yeah. So like I was saying, we only have to do the rest of the stuff if right. So okay. So the other thing we'll say is so full list equals points list index 2, because the data point 1 is the adjusted list, like the shortened list, and data point 2 or data point 3 index 2 is the full list. So if full list indexed from the excluding the first and the last character, again to strip out the in this case the square braces, then we will also split on this time the splitting on comma space. So then we'll say if oh yeah wait what do we do? We say so like I'll say like deserves gamma equals false, and then we'll say we'll say beta count beta count equals 0, and then we'll say for fi in full list if fi equals beta badge, including the single quotes, then we will say beta count plus equals 1, and then we'll say we can say if or no, we'll just leave it as that. Okay, and then right. So the only time we actually have to do the rest of this stuff is if beta count is greater than 1. So if there are multiple beta counts, if there were multiple beta badges for this player, then yeah. Then we can do the has list thing, and we can look it up, and we can say. So then we can say if the all right. So this is going to be the moment of truth, I think. At the end of this event, we'll find out whether the other thing is fixed or like what is happening there, because at the end of this event, either there'll be another event immediately or not, and I'll be happy. It'll be one of those two things. Actually, just to spoil it for myself, let's look up what it'd be. It'd be transition window. Uh-oh. There are no messages for transition window here, which make me think that the transition window is probably not working. All right, so frick. Sorry, I think the bug's probably still going to be happening, so I'm going to have to stop the script again, like during an event. I won't do it immediately. I guess we'll get like a few free events happening before I fully restart it. But all right, I'll worry about that in a minute. All right, so if because I'm restarting the script anyways, I might as well finish this other script to repair the beta badge or gamma badges and stuff. Okay, so yep, there it goes. Shoot. Wait, hold on. I didn't stop the script in time. Oh, you know what I can do? I actually, at the end of this event, I might actually be able to stop the script in time without, like, I might be able to, because there's like there's like such a brief window between events that I might be able to like catch it. Maybe. We'll see. Um, excuse me. And yeah, so the thing that we've discovered now is that those messages, excuse me, those messages just are never getting sent out. So that's weird. Um, I don't know what that's about. Or do I? No, I don't know what that's about. They're just literally never evaluating. We're just literally never, unless I forgot to just print them. Uh, window. Nope, there's just literally, well, I don't know, we'll see. Because there's no reference to transition windows anywhere in the log right now, which is weird. Because there should be. Okay. Uh, so if gamma badge, if gamma badge, not in has list. So if this player does not have gamma badge but should, because we already, if we got into this point in the code, we already know that they should. Then we'll say with open BF path. This time as append, because we're just going to tack the gamma badge right on the end of this list, as b data, I suppose. B data. Then we'll say b data dot write space gamma underscore badge. Yeah, there we go. All right, so this one, this script, it's not too dangerous. Maybe I should back up the player data again, just in case. I don't know, we'll see. All right, so let's see if I can catch the end of this event and actually make it so I don't have to like cancel in the middle of the event. I just really it hurts my heart when I have to stop an event in the middle of the event. Like events are supposed to run their natural duration, and like that's what events are for. They're who am I? Who am I to say when an event should end? I can't even like. Yeah, I don't know. All right, I can do this. I believe in myself. So in just a moment, TrustyBar is going to call the end of the event, and as soon as he does, if I stop the script, as soon as he does, then, and only then, can I actually catch it before the next event starts. Actually, I think I'll hear the event noise. I think probably TrustyBar will say the end of the event, and then we'll probably hear the event noise, and then. Yeah, right. Okay. I think I have a 3-second window, so it's actually not that hard because I have a 3-second window. I'm just really nervous and bad at like timing things. Like if there was a game with QuickTime events, like I would be really bad at that game. And there are games with QuickTime. There we go. Yeah, I did it. I did it. Oh. Well, I got it. Is the good news. All right. Whatever. All right. So let's okay. So let's run this script now. Gamma repair. Oh, PTS is not defined. Points lists. Excuse me. Yes. Oh, I should also, I guess, like print out the players' names. I guess, like in the case, yeah. So like print only in the case that that like they met this condition. Print name and so print name and full list, I guess. Yeah. And see how this goes. So run gamma repair. Did not print any. It evaluated that none of those were true. beta count plus equals 1 if fi. All right, so let's print full list here to see uh, what maybe I'm like formatting the data wrong or something. Wait, why is it always really short? Oh, because we're already splitting on comma space. Ooh, weird. We're already splitting on comma space. Alright. Well then. Yeah. Alright, so comma, I'm gonna split, this is a little janky, but I'm gonna split on comma space open square brace here. And then, so then when we're doing what? When we're doing full list. Oh, no, wait, no. Right, no. So in the first instance, I'm going to split on comma space open square brace. And the second instance, like, I don't have to trim out the first character anymore because we're already splitting out the first character. So let's see if this works then. Let's see if this works, I guess. Nope, didn't like that. With open bfpath as b data. No such file or directory? How's that possible? Players lion123 bonuses.txt. How's that possible? We literally just updated the same exact data file in the previous run of the script. Did the previous run of the script like nuke some player's data or something? Like what happened there? I mean, we did back everything up, so worst case scenario. What was it? It was 73 lion123. Wait, what? Where's that player? What? That player doesn't even have a data folder. How's that possible? Wait, am I going crazy? Oh no, there. Oh no, yeah. Oh yeah, alphabetical order is just stupid. But totally has a bonus file. What the heck? What are you talking about? No such file exists. Players lion bonuses .txt. What are you talking about? Doesn't exist. Did the script end up in the wrong folder? Oh, it probably ended up in the wrong folder. The stupid, like, I don't know. Yeah, it puts it in a sub-test folder of the test folder. I don't know what that's about. Alright, so now this doesn't exist anymore, so it'll disappear, but then if I open it again and run it, then, hey, Asado, how's it going? Welcome. So if I open, test, gamma repair, okay, now it'll work, right? Now it'll just work, right? Hey, look at that. So good. So good. Alright, so those players are all fixed now. So now if I look at, yep, okay, good. See, yeah, it just added in the gamma badge. So good, excellent, great, hooray forever. Alright, so this script is dangerous. I should probably just destroy it. But instead I'll just comment out the beginning of this. Wait. Yeah, whatever. I'll just comment that out. And the rest will be like broken, but whatever, I don't care. Okay. And then what? And then, alright, close that. Alright, yeah, that's all fixed. So, oh yeah, I should be fixing the other thing, well, because the other script is down, right? So, yeah, let's, event type counts. I don't have to worry about that right now. I have bigger fish to fry. Specifically, yeah, why are these transition window messages not going through? Yeah. Well, let's spell it correctly. Yeah, we're supposed to be printing ND message, and like... So like data messages is just like not... I don't know, what's wrong with data messages? Data messages output, transition window, and all the rest of that business. Oh, nope, that's fine. I was like, are we not defining it somewhere? As far as I can tell, this is like super fine. Oh, right. No, that was that was the realization that I came to. Is that like it's probably that this is never evaluating correctly. Environment frame modulo g width is never evaluating to be less than last environment frame modulo g width. Which doesn't really make sense. So all right, just to be really annoying, I'm just gonna print both of these values. I'm just gonna print environment frame modulo g width and last environment frame modulo g width, just to keep tabs on what they are, just to like see what they are, I guess. So this, I'm not probably gonna have to wait, what do I do here? Yeah, I'm just gonna make the script crazy. I'm just gonna go for, what is it, environment duration. I'm gonna just crank up the environment duration. And it's probably gonna break a lot of things, but I should probably make this script unoriginal while I do this testing, because otherwise it's gonna do some crazy stuff. Alright, so the script is gonna be temporarily non-interactive. As I set the environment duration to like, I don't know, 10. So we should be going really fast now, I guess. Zoom. But mostly I just want to see if oh, whoa. Oh, am I not setting last environment frame or something? Because look at this, it's saying the modulo is always 0. All right, so that would be an example of a problem. All right, let's stop the script. Okay. And it didn't connect to IRC, so I don't have to wait for the script to cool down. So maybe it's just a matter of what is it, last environment frame. I guess maybe I'm just never setting this. Maybe I just completely forgot to actually like set. Yep, that was probably the case. Yep. All right. So where do I have to? So where are all the references to it? I only use it like these 3 cases, right? Yeah, and so once I've evaluated these cases, well, you know, just for in case I decide to use it, or in case I need to use it for other things at some point, I will put it down at the bottom of the loop when I set like the last graphics time. So last env frame equals env frame. Yeah. All right. So okay. So now I can probably put. Hey, Mr. Ilyu, how's it going? Welcome. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. Oops. I was like, I want to go back to environment duration and change it back, but I hit Control F and then started typing in ILLU because my brain can only do like one thing at a time. Hey, Yakumus, how's it going? I think we fixed the too many events bug, Yakumus, so hopefully that'll be back in order. Yeah, it was just a stupid oversight. I forgot to set one of the criteria that I was using as like the conditional for like when to send that message. So I don't know. I don't know that it's gonna work now, but I have more hope than I did a moment ago. A lot more hope. So I can probably restart the script, but first I should go back and change original to be true so that the script will actually work and like be interactive and stuff. I mean, it's getting to the point where I could probably re-enable Twitter too. Right now, I've left Twitter off just because I didn't want to get my Twitter account banned by like introducing like weird errors or something. But like it's like most of the stuff is like smoothed out now. So, yeah. Oh yeah, okay. I mean, we still have like some weird. So yeah, I really don't want to get my Twitter account banned. So I'm not gonna race to like restart that stuff. I'm gonna work on other stuff. Yeah. Why the freaking ship? Why was it always the freaking ship? That might have just been like that we rolled the. Okay, so like at the beginning of the game, like it picks a random. Oh, I can restart the script. At the beginning of the script, it picks like a random environment, and then it actually picks another random environment like a split second later. But oh shoot, I forgot to take out that print. Oh no, I forgot to take out that print. Hold on, wait. False alarm. Whoops. Ah, shoot. Um, the what was I gonna say? Yeah, but for some reason, like yesterday, when I was, and like yesterday and today, when I run the script, it like always chooses the ship for some reason. Like it's actually statistically very unlikely that it would choose the ship. No, it's about as statistically likely as anything else. But like it chose it so many times in a row, and it was like, I don't know, it was like way too much. It was like, I don't know, not my not. Alright, well, news. Um, yeah, hopefully that was just a fluke, and that it's not gonna be super broken. Actually, before I restart the script, I'm gonna look at the level highlights real quick because I'm guessing that was just a stupid oversight. Level, or no, so where would it be? Yeah, level highlight. Is there? Yeah. All right. So if not G event on G player dictionary parade index I level up. All right, so I'm referencing it all correctly here. I feel like I must be doing something untoward with this level up value, though. Like I must be using like I must have like an index error or something at some point where I reference it. Like, cause it was setting. Hmm. No. I feel like I must have an index error with it somewhere because like it was showing the someone leveled up earlier and it was showing like the level up highlight on like basically everyone. And like why would it do that? Uh, I'm not seeing it though. I seem what the heck? This seems like legit. It seems like I'm actually using like I don't know. It seems like I'm actually using the correct values here. G event on and G player dictionary index parade index I, which is the character in question that we're looking at here. If that character's if the length of that character's level up list is greater than 0 and index 0 equals 0. Wait, equals 0? Hmm. I mean, we're only blitting it once, so that doesn't make any sense to me. Unless, wait, no, we didn't have any index errors, because like there are a few places that an index error could cause something weird like that, but like I'm pretty sure we just didn't have any index errors. Unless we're like initializing it incorrectly. No, this is the other place I was thinking there might be an index error. Um, are we are we initializing lup to like be a non-empty list or something? No, that wouldn't explain why it waited. No, because if we were initializing it wrong, it would have. Oh wait, what's lup a? What is this? Is this a real thing? No. This might have been a real thing at one point, but it is not. Um, weird. Did I just hallucinate that one? I don't feel like I hallucinated that one. I feel like it actually happened. Um, but like looking at the code, I cannot think of why it would have. Oh, wait a second. Oh no, I know why. I know why. I know why. It's because we're not calling lup in initialization as like a thing, and it does. Python does this like really unimpressive thing where if you have like a list like this and you don't. Oh, I should have like bonuses in here too, because like instead of putting these things here, I like there are other places where like I do sketchy stuff, and I really shouldn't. All right, so no, this is better. Oh yeah, self dot bonuses. Yeah, for all these like lists or dictionaries or anything like that, like if you don't initialize it, like you can't just like declare it to be like a new thing. You literally have to put it in like the separate init block and like declare it again as like its own thing. Otherwise, like it won't like believe you or something. So yeah, for all this stuff, uh, we should be I mean, like, I think like the reason, oops, I think the reason it probably wasn't aired before is because I was like doing stupid like workarounds to avoid that sort of bug from happening. But I shouldn't be doing stupid workarounds. I should just be giving giving the this Python the stupid things that it needs in order to not be dumb the first time around. I'm still, you might have noticed, I'm still a little salty. Um, so yeah, the worst part of pirate ship gate like um, was when we ran the script and we were on the pirate ship and it gave us the quest to find a pirate ship while we were already on the pirate ship, which I guess like I don't know, maybe that's not so bad because like maybe it doesn't make it's not completely broken that like that quest could occur on the ship, but yeah, no, I don't know. All right. But I think the script should be good in a lot of ways now, so I'm gonna rerun it. Whoops, did I? Oh gosh, I think I just accidentally clicked some weird thing on like that drop down menu, and I don't know what I clicked. But no, okay, I'm gonna rerun the script now, and it should actually like work and stuff and happy good times. Hopefully, we'll find out. Find out soon enough. Okay, so here we go. Here we go. No, sorry. So we should now have a. Oops. Whoa. Why is it letting me type in here? That was weird. Why did it let me type in here? That's weird and creepy. No, Control F. Transition. No. It's still not. It's still not printing transition window, which is weird because I'm pretty sure I was pretty sure the way that I set it up, it should do transition window on the very first. Oh, nope. I know why it's not doing that. Because I didn't initialize that thing correctly. I mean, I probably don't have to initialize that thing. But yeah. No, like I didn't hit debug. I only hit play. But like, is it normal that I can just like, huh? That's weird. If I hit enter, would that actually like evaluate? I have no clue what I'm doing right now. I hope this is just for like annotation purposes. I hope this isn't actually like affecting the script, because that'd be creepy. All right. Anyways, so I'm pretty sure the level up highlight thing is going to be fixed now. I'm pretty sure the downtime between events is going to be fixed now. But and like the freaking ship thing, as far as I can tell, like there's not actually anything wrong with it because like it did now pick the village, right? It can pick things other than the it can pick things other than the ship. So maybe that's not actually a thing. All right, that'd be nice because then it means we could get back to working on other things, like non-bug type things, like actually forward development, I guess. So let's what was it? Oh right, so we were working our way through this list of variables that need to get like globalized in order to get referenced on the panel thread. So fact char was the last one that we'd done, which should be pretty near here. It should be whoa, wait a second. How am I using fact char here if I don't declare it until as global until later? I guess like I don't have to declare it as global or something, but I don't know. I really don't understand when you do and don't need to use like global for stuff. I feel like you should have to. I don't know. I really don't care. I don't care. So all right, where was the so global fact char, or fact care? I don't know. I don't char. All right, so give text. Right, so we're just putting this list together because basically like these things are like, yeah, it used to be. It used to make like super sense like where these things were located and everything, but then we rearranged everything just recently. Cur ev, really? Ugh, gross. And so yeah, so now some of the things that so okay, we moved things to a separate thread, but we moved a few too many things actually to a separate thread. So uh, we have to bring some of those back to the main thread so that they can be referenced. Uh, Wait, so am I duping any of these things? Like event on, because I don't need any, I don't need literally any duplicates on this list. I guess it'll be apparent later once I go to finish this list up if there are any duplicates. So for now, I'll assume that this is good. So I don't have to do the pevs. I don't have to do the things that, oh, I don't have to do the things like the graphics